You're going to want to watch through this whole video. I'm going to chart out the projected path for Bitcoin, where I think it's headed. We're going to zoom in on the structure that we're experiencing right now, and I'm going to give you my thoughts from an Elliott Wave perspective. We're also going to hit the DXY and KDA because Kelly commented she wanted the KDA chart. I'm going to do it. Comment your chart below and I will chart it in the next video. Okay. From an Elliott Wave perspective, guys, we're getting right into it. 3, 4, 5. If you don't know Elliott Wave, join the Discord. It's right here. It's free. It's in the description below. And you will learn Elliott Wave. I post my trading setups, my long-term analysis. You can talk to me in the chat. I'll see you in there. From an Elliott Wave perspective, guys, I'm waiting for an impulse to finish up here. Easy as that. Where we have 5 waves, hopefully looking to finish up, and we are currently in a wave 4. Wave 4s are tough to trade. It's choppy, a lot of stop hunting, and I'm pretty confident that we're in the wave 4, and that is just going to finish up an ABC here for us. Now, this is my primary count. So what I'm looking to have happen is maybe take out the highs one more time here, and we'll zoom in on this and I'll show you. So stick around. I'll show you what I'm seeing in this structure. But maybe take out the highs one more time, and then a quick fast move to finish up a flat here. Come down to these lows, and then we can spike up for one more high and finish our 5-wave impulse, connecting this wave, boom, and then we have a finished flat that we can come down, take this liquidity in here, scare the bejesus out of everyone, and then come back up and take this upper liquidity, this and this. Okay, now that's my primary count. There are other counts at play, but this is just what I'm playing, guys. Let's zoom in and look at, on the smaller time frame, what this structure could be. And I'm gonna tell you right now, this thing is tough. It's just stop hunting. It's just stop hunting everybody. And right here was the finish of our wave 3, and we are currently in a wave 4, and I have it finished from a flat down, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside to finish out our wave 3, right? So all of this will be our wave 4, and I have something coming down like this, maybe something coming up like this, something like that. You can count it so many different ways, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. There's no pure count here. Or lastly, which I kind of like, an ABC here, and I want to see this spike to the high and finish up. And what I'm looking at is, I'm going to draw this trend line. You guys know I don't like using trend lines, but you know everyone's drawing this trend line. Everyone has it. So what better way to grab everyone's liquidity than if I just do it, because I'm looking at this as an ABC right here, and I would be looking at this to come up, maybe snap through this liquidity and come to the 1-to-1, and then we can come down, and that would finish our boom, boom, boom. In the middle we have a W. Oh, hang on, pause. Get me out of this. Let me pull the fibs right here. Let's see what this looks like. Yeah. This can happen so many ways, guys. This could be just a flat right here, and then we can come up and take the highs one more time, and that could be our finished wave right there. Or right there. Boom. And then come up and take the highs one more time. Something like that. What I'm trying to tell you is this is wave 4 madness, and I'm looking for this to finish up, and then I'm looking for a big time short. But I'm trading this kind of when it comes and stops everyone out. I'll go short. Comes and stops everyone out here, I'll go long. You know, it's really just playing the stop hunt at this point. Let's zoom in a little closer and see what we have. Is that a finished impulse right there? 1, 2, 5, 4. 1, 2. Yeah, I want to see this get impulsive right here and just finish out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I would love to see this start impulsing. I don't like a low getting broken here because I would look at it as a flat coming up like this and then more downside. I don't want to see the low get taken out because I will be looking for more downside. I'll be looking for a flat with more downside. But I would love for this to be 1, 2, 1, maybe come down 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, maybe something like that, guys. And that'll be a finished wave for me. Maybe come up to 39k area, 38.5, 39k, and then a nice short. And we'll see where the wave takes us at that point. Let's look at DXY. This is what I kind of have sketched out for DXY. Really, I originally thought that we have a flat here and that's done, and now we're just coming down, and that could still be the case. But the more and more I look at this, if we're on the daily, RSI is so extended. I really don't think it has the strength to bust through right now, all the way down here. I just don't think it has it in it. So what I like is something like this, and then, or it can even come down a little further, guys, like this, and then boom, crank up out of here. Crank up out of here like that, and then come down. So we have this finished, and then come down. But we'll see what happens here. I'm at least expecting consolidation here, or a bounce here, and then come down more, because this needs to just reset at least a little bit. It's just way too overextended. Cadena. Cadena to me looks like a finished flat. Actually, yeah, Cadena to me looks like a finished flat right here for maybe another hit to the low to finish out this ending diagonal. Maybe it's right here. To finish out an ending diagonal. And then we can impulse out. Or we correct here. I want to see this come down at least to here, and then we can hit out. So maybe we're going to play around here a little longer. When Bitcoin dumps, this will also dump. And then it can have a nice impulse out of here. Maybe something like that. Come up, snap through all these liquidity zones, and then we can continue our descent. That's what I see for Cadena. I'm going to cut the video here, guys. We'll see what happens with Bitcoin. Again, I want to see this impulse. We can come down a little more. That's fine. But I want to see this impulse. I don't want to see this low get taken out, because I'll be looking for more downside. I'll see you in the Discord where I'll update everyone. Guys, I got a premium option coming out soon. Stay on the lookout for that. I love you all. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.